What makes banding such a useful innovation in the food industry? Discover the economic and environmental advantages of banding. With the special challenges it faces, the food industry is unlike any other. This is where producer and retailer requirements for logistics, hygiene, and consumer appeal come together. Banding can help in a variety of areas. The first area in which branding yields critical advantages is the convenience food segment. Ready-to-eat products such as sushi, cheese, and salads are packed in trays and subsequently enclosed in a printed cardboard sleeve that simultaneously serves as advertising space and closure mechanism. The sleeve is sealed with adhesive. In most cases, an additional label is applied containing the expiration date, the ingredients, and a barcode. These elements are frequently applied by hand and in multiple steps. This takes time and material and requires an unnecessary amount of manual handling of the product. What advantages does banding offer? Banding is a complete solution. Bands replace the cardboard sleeve as well as the label and hold the packaging together with gentle pressure, entirely without adhesives. With quality printing, they enable an effective promotional impact at the point of sale. The bands are available in an unlimited range of materials, whether paper or film, in line with your product design. Variable information such as the expiration date, ingredients, and barcode can be applied just in time with an integrable thermal transfer printer. This increases flexibility and reduces material wastage in the event of short-notice changes in production. The band is sealed with ATS's unique ultrasonic cold welding technology. The technique generates no heat, fumes, or residue. The food and packaging are protected. The packaging can be optimally stacked thanks to the minimal thickness of the applied bands. The bands are easy for consumers to open. There is no adhesive residue on the package. It remains clean and appetizing. Banding automates the packaging process, whether at a single station or integrated into a fully automated production line. This efficient packaging saves time. The second area in which banding can help you is in bundling multi-packs and promotional goods. One conventional method for this is shrink wrapping with film. This can work well, but in many cases uses too much material. This method not only generates a lot of waste, but also risks damaging the product through the heat applied during shrinkage, and heating in a refrigerated space is doubly costly in terms of energy. Banding can yield huge benefits here. The band holds the units together gently yet securely without damaging the product, and a minimal amount of material is used. With banding, there is no need for heating, so the product is protected. Ideal for logistics and promotional purposes, with unsold goods, the band can simply be removed and the products returned to the shelf undamaged. Another method is the use of shipping boxes. The boxes are opened at the point of sale and simply put on the shelves, which is aesthetically unappealing. ATS banding technology offers clear advantages here as well. The product arrives with a cardboard base that is folded up on the sides and double banded and can be placed directly on the shelf. The paper band is then removed and the product is ready for sale. The transparent film at the bottom supports the product without covering the design. This simple, shelf-ready packaging solution increases efficiency, reduces waste, and ensures an attractive presentation at the point of sale. Another conventional method is to bundle and mark units manually with adhesive labels. The disadvantages of adhesive labels are clear. Unappetizing adhesive residue reduces the attractiveness of the product, and packages can be damaged and rendered unsellable. This method also results in higher waste volumes, as the adhesive labels usually require backing paper. Product information is usually printed beforehand, which can result in further material waste if an unplanned change in production takes place. The advantages of banding result from the fact that no adhesive is used, and the banding is an automated rather than manual process. This means increased speed and efficiency. There is no adhesive residue, and packages are not damaged when separated. Waste is therefore kept to a minimum. This minimizes material wastage. Switching to banding means simplified logistics, increased productivity, and a reduced environment footprint. ATS Unique Banding. For you, for customers, for the environment.